Monday, November 21st. And guess what? I made it. I made it. These are from my daughter, of course. Hilarious. All right, that's enough of that. It was a great weekend. Lots of friends came from all over the country, actually, which was just such a nice treat. And I got a zillion lovely cards and so many from lots of you. I'm feeling very grateful, humbled, blessed, just content. It's good. It's good. I feel very fortunate. Very fortunate. So, thank you to all of you who wished me well, and I'm not feeling any older. However, I think the whole week of trying to get ready and the festivities have given me a little sinus thing. No fever, but anyway, it's all good. It waited until this morning, so that's perfect. All right. I got in a brand new yarn from Malabrigo. I have a hair standing up there. It's all good. All right. They're calling it a super bulky, but I don't feel like it's a super bulky. It is called Novena. Novena. It's a single ply. It's not quite as thick as Rasta, but it's definitely a bulky and lovely. It is a superwash, and we've found some hat patterns that would work for it right now. It's a little bulky for us to make a sweater out of, kind of hot, but lots of great hats, lots of ideas. I don't think you'll have any trouble finding something to do with this beautiful yarn. So let me show you the colors I have. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 colors. I showed you the Ravelry Red. Love it. It's $25.95 a skein. There are 90 yards. And it is 11 to 9 stitches in 4 inches. So here's Ravelry Red. Spectacular. Would look awesome with one of our pom-poms. This is gorgeous Indonesia. Look at that. Yum. So beautiful. Then it's a good color for a man. Olivenite. Kind of olive and dark, but really beautiful. Lots of shades of brown and charcoal. This one, lots of new colors. Fortaleza, whatever that means, but I love it. A little darker with pops of purple and green. Fantastic. This is a new color, Rosalinda, and it's beautiful. Peaches into pinks with lavenders. Rosalinda, always good to have a natural. Put any color pom-pom with that. Umber, gorgeous, looks like a fire, kind of burning flame versus log bark. I don't know, it's beautiful to me. Then we have Talisman. Again, dark with some pops, but some orange in this one. Talisman. And last but not least, Potion, which I've had in Rios. So this is a nice color too. So there you go. Brand new yarn. Novena, brand new from Malabrigo. All right, I made it. I made it to 70, and I'm so grateful. And I think you guys had a very big Saturday, and I hope you enjoyed my kind of ridiculous gift that I gave, which was also really great. So we had a big day, so that was great. So awesome. All right, hoping I continue to feel better. I will try and see you tomorrow. I'm planning on it. All right, have a good night.